In today's video, I am going to show you simple ways that you can elevate your outfits. Today's video, I am sharing simple ways to elevate your outfits. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifoma. If this is your first time of stopping by, hi, welcome. On this channel, I talk about fashion, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. First and foremost, Happy New Year. I can't believe it is 2023. I am glad to see you guys. Thank God we made it. I'm excited for what God has in store for us this year. And for my oldies, thank you for all the love and the likes. For my new ones, welcome, thank you. In case you noticed, I came back to Houston briefly because I am on a work project in Kansas. I've been there for over 2 months now. I have 2 more months to go by the grace of God. That's why you see my background is different again. I just wanted to explain that. Okay, let's get into the video now. First way you can elevate your outfit is just by wearing a white t-shirt. It could be a v-neck or it could be that crew neck. There's just something about this combination that works every time. A white t-shirt or a wide leg jeans or a skinny jeans. These two combination, oh my God, I don't know what it is about it. It just works every time. The styling part of this video, I have a white t-shirt that I got from Walmart and it's by the brand Free Assembly. I am wearing it in a medium, and I have a blue skinny jeans that I also got from the brand Free Assembly, which is also a Walmart brand. And look how chic this outfit look. I added some black pumps and I added some belts, and it just look so pretty. And I think I'm also carrying a white handbag just to tie the whole look in. This is so chic. You can just look instantly stylish with this outfit. You can go for a casual date with this outfit, and of course, you know, you can run around town, do whatever you want to do during your day. It's just simple and just chic, and it just works every time. And the reason I like this combination is that you can throw on a trench coat, you can throw on a coat, you can throw on a blazer, you can throw on a cardigan with this outfit. I also added my gray coat to this outfit. Any coat, trench, any color of coat you have will go with this outfit. Blazer, cardigan, trench coats, it just works. Even a leather jacket will work with this look. Let me show you the next tip. So the next tip I have is a button down shirt and a dress pant. It could be any color of button down shirt. This combination just work. You can have it as a long sleeve or you can just roll the sleeve up. This combination just work, and I don't know why, but it does. Which is what I like about it. So in this video, I have a white button down shirt and I have this green dress pants that I got from H&M long ago. The shirt is also from H&M, and I added an animal print belt, which I think I got from Amazon. I am wearing some pumps and I'm carrying this handbag that is in that same shade of green with the dress pant that I have on. That out, this combination just looks so good. I rolled up the sleeve a little bit and I had some buttons pop down to have that v-neck shape, but my shirt was not obeying. But these are simple ways you can just like elevate your outfits. And you can add a blazer to this look, and you can also add a coat to this look. I just like it. It is just simple, but at the same time, very stylish. Now let me show you the next tip. The next tip I have is a turtleneck. Turtleneck, there's just something about turtleneck that just elevates your look instantly. And also, I love it because it gives you that slimming effect. And so that is another way that you can use to elevate your outfit during this cold weather season, during this winter period. Turtleneck just look elegant. I don't know if it's because it's turtleneck, it makes your neck look long and lean. Who doesn't like that? So in this styling part, I am wearing a black turtleneck, and I'm also wearing my high-waisted jeans that I got from Walmart. The turtleneck is from H&M, and I added some loafers, and I think I am carrying a pink handbag that I got from Walmart. I think so many styling parts I can't even remember, but I think I have a pink handbag just for a pop of color. And that loafers is from ASOS. Simple, chic, just so pretty. You can go anywhere with this look. Casual dinner, casual lunch, go to the movies, go shopping. And of course, you can also wear turtleneck with skirts. And in the next styling part, I also have a black turtleneck on with this plaid mini skirt that I got from Marshalls, and I'm wearing some tights, and I added some knee-high boot, and this look is just so pretty. It is so chic. You can just go to work like this. And how do you go to work like this? You add a coat to it, or you add a blazer, so the mini skirt doesn't look that mini anymore. Knee-high boot also make it look appropriate for the workplace. It's just so many things you can do with turtleneck, and this is what I love about it. So let me show you guys the next tip. So the next way you can elevate your style during this season is to wear a little black dress. Now, ladies, we all have a little black dress. We have one black dress in our closet that does the magic for us. So a black dress is just like a perfect base that you can use to build an outfit. You can add a coat, you can add a cardigan, you can add a leather jacket, you can add a blazer. Oh my God, so many things that you can do with a black dress. So in this styling part, I have this little black dress on that I got from Walmart. It's by the brand Time and True, and this dress is so affordable. It's just like under $10, but look at the way that I styled it. I added a belt to cinch in my waist, and then I added a faux leather jacket that I got from Macy's, and I am wearing my red Zara slingback heels just for a pop of color. That is another way that you can use to elevate a little black dress. There are so many things you can do with it, but I decided to add that pop of color. So that was the only color that I have in the whole outfit. I was carrying a black little purse that I got from Amazon. I just love this look. It is simple. I'm dinner ready. I am work ready. I can just change my shoes. I am everything ready. I just love this look. It is simple, it is chic, and just elegant. That's how much I love this look. It is probably my best look in this video. So let me know what you think about this particular look. On to the next tip. The last but not the least tip that I have that you can use to elevate your style is by adding accessories. What do I mean by this? Accessories could be your handbag, it could be your shoe, it could be your jewelry, it could be a scarf. And in this video, I had that chunky necklace on with a little black outfit. That's one way to accessorize, because everything I had was black in that outfit, so I added that little chunky necklace just to bring it out. And in the next clip, I added a scarf to that same little black dress, and I had a camel coat on, and I had a black pop on. You see, I am work ready in the same little black dress. So these are ways that you can use accessories to elevate your outfit. So guys, what do you think about the ways that I styled all of this outfit? Be sure to let me know in the comment section. And also make sure that I leave all the links to this outfit. But these are things that I already think you have in your closet. So guys, that will be all for this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinion on all of these tips that I featured today. If you have tips on how we can elevate our outfit, please be sure to share with me, share with others in the comment section. Leave me all your comments in the comment section. And if you like the video so far, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on your notifications so that whenever I upload, you will get a notification. Be sure to check me out on IG and Pinterest. I am also on TikTok now. So check me out over there to see how I am styling all of this outfit. And guys, until my next video, take care of yourself, remain blessed, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.